Good evening, welcome back. Happy Friday. It's the last video of this month. It is 30th of October. It's a Friday. I've been telling this since last couple of months. Time is literally flying by and October is also over. So just 2 more months and probably we'll step into 2021 and just hoping and praying that 2021 will be far better and far more positive than what 2020 was. Anyway, quick update on the Friday morning. Started off with the typical calls and follow-ups and status stuff. At that point of time, I realized that one of my team member told there about some decision that has been made regarding the project, which I was not aware of because as I think I told you yesterday, so the project was launched yesterday and it will be in the beta phase for the next 2 months. I mean, that is what was my assumption, and then probably by end of December or the first thing in January is when we wanted to go GA, wherein the product will be available for public, for the enterprise customers as a paid option. It's now, as of now, free, and it's like kind of like say light plan. So this was what I knew and this was what my assumption was. But today morning my team member told that for now the so-called GA plan has been postponed for next year. So January is still theoretically next year, but the way he told was not sounding like they are in a hurry to put it off for paid option. So that kind of a little bit caused that like worrying thing in my mind. So I called him back after the meeting, the team meeting was over, and tried to understand from his perspective what's happening. And he told like the general consensus was like to get everything proper, stable, up and running without any hiccups and all those stuff. But then they will think about when to go with a paid plan. I thought like we are in a good shape. I would not say perfect, but we are in a good shape, and whatever was required to bridge between this beta and GA was like something which we had already worked on, and we are in a good phase. But he didn't sound too positive, and he didn't know the exact reason why they were delaying that one. So that happened, and I kind of told him whatever was my observations and points from the management meeting that I had a couple of days back, wherein I told that things don't look positive. I kind of was like trying to put that like dotted line connection between what they were telling and what he was telling and all. Then we went on to converse about what will happen in the next few months, what will happen next year, and all those stuff, and how the current product is going on. Overall, I am kind of sensing something strange with the management decisions. I'm just letting you know, for this is for like I just want to document this, that that is a sixth sense that I kind of have, that something is strange with the way they're taking decisions. So let's see what happens in the next month or in the coming months, and how it will impact us, how it will impact the product, how it will impact us as an employees and all the stuff. If I get to hear clearly from the higher management that this is what is the decision, this is what is happening, then it is fine. But if they just keep sending clues and signs, or if I get to hear from third person, that's what I don't like. So that's one part of it. Now in the second half of the day, my manager set up a team meeting out of nowhere. Like since last 1 or 2 months we didn't have anything, and maybe like 3 months I think, so we didn't have anything. I know we were busy, and I don't think so team members were ready to even pitch into this. But suddenly he set up a team meeting, and the first thing that he told was there is like a mandatory 2 day paid leave for everyone. And as a manager, I too was expected to know this at least before the meeting, and I was not aware of it. I'm not sure who came up with that, or he negotiated with someone, or somebody told him and he forgot to tell me and all. But at least it would have been good if he had told me that this is what we'll announce, and then we'll do a casual catch up stuff. I was kind of like a taken by surprise, but I didn't make it very evident there. But it's not. I mean, these are the things which kind of turn me off in the workplace. And your own peers, if they do like this, I mean, he also has to know that I too have like a number of people reporting to me, and I'm supposed to be aware of this even before he announces it. But anyway, it was announced and it was told that in the next 2 weeks, utilize this off. and we can split it up however, like 2 days together, split apart, or put it on a Monday or Friday, whatever it is. So I'm just thinking what to do. My mind says that I need to start. I'm just trying to get too inclined towards starting off my Karnataka video series starting from Sunday. I've been delaying it from so many years. I'm not telling months, years. I wanted to do something different, something unique from Karnataka since I would say like around 2017 kind of a thing. But 2018 I kind of like took a back step and the content was not good enough. Now I want to do a fresh content and I don't have a plan yet. But I know I want to travel, I want to photograph, I want to shoot videos and all the stuff and put it up in the form of videos and photos on my site. So I'm just thinking if November 1st is the right time to kick this off and probably utilize these 2 days on one of a Friday or a Monday in the coming 2 weeks, and then probably utilize it to travel, because on a weekday traveling means less crowd and I'll be able to enjoy better than going on a weekend. So this is the thing that is running in my mind regarding the 2 days. I'm not decided, but I'm pretty sure Sunday I'll go somewhere. I'm yet to decide where, but of course you'll get to know on Monday where I went. But that's what I'm thinking of doing. But apart from this meeting was mainly like to congratulate and thank the team for all the hard work that they have done, and probably listen from everyone how the things were, how was their experience in building the product from scratch, and the last 2 years of struggle and hard work and sleepless nights and all the stuff. And I really appreciate the entire team has spent a really good effort and good dedication in coming up with this product which we just launched on Wednesday, and I'm really happy about the team. So this was basically the team to come together. At a point it kind of felt like, okay, it was like too biased towards some people talking about only specific people, and I realized that half of the crowd were not getting the attention that they should have got. You could sense it. They were quiet and they became more quiet, and they stopped responding or acknowledging things after like first half an hour or something like that. But it's okay, that's exactly how the team works, so I don't have any complaints. And that's the way the management treats the people, and that's the way people know that the management will treat them, and they'll keep quiet. So anyway, people who wanted to get the attention and wanted to be in limelight, they got that stuff, which is fine. It's their time now, so they'll get their piece of attention. But overall it was good. It was almost like it went for 1.5 hour, and we kind of wound up. And the last part was during that time I got a call from the service center that the glass which was ordered for my car, you remember what happened on Sunday? Yes. So the glass which was ordered, it has come to Bangalore, and my car was supposed to get picked up in the evening so that they can start the work today and they can deliver it back tomorrow evening after the 24 hours drying time or whatever you can call it. uh, but unfortunately, I got a call telling that the pickup driver, he was trying, the guy who was supposed to pick up my car, he tried to reach me, and my number was not reachable, which was all BS. But later on I tried to follow up so many times, and eventually we decided that tomorrow morning I myself will go and give the car for service, the repair stuff. So morning I'll have to leave around 7:30, go and leave my car and come back. So hoping that by best thing by Sunday evening or maybe Monday, I should have my car back with a back glass. So let's see how things goes. I'm hoping that this gets sorted out soon, because I don't like seeing my vehicles in not so good shape lying there for days together. Even if I don't ride it, I want to be in good and up and running condition. I don't like it to leave it like the way it is now. So I'll let you know probably by Monday when we catch up if everything is fine and everything is sorted. So probably by Monday evening I should have an update whether the car is ready or whether it's with me already or whatever is the case. Ideally, yes, it should be with me back by Monday evening. So that's how the Friday went. I would not call it like very hectic, but kind of like a mixed chocho kind of a day. A lot of things, a lot of discussion, a lot of brainstorming about what next and what about this, what about that, and all. So currently, the only thing that is getting biased in my head is about kicking off this Karnataka travel project. So let me see how it goes. While I'm doing all those things, once all those things got sorted out, I went and got some spare parts to fit the new visor to the bike, and some modifications for the light things. So probably tomorrow will be a busy day, and I like such type of busy days. So that's it for now. Have a fantastic weekend. I'll catch you back on Monday evening. Bye bye and take care.